Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for CVS. I know, right? Listen, CVS has been really slow for me, you guys. Like, really slow. And I was going to record last week, but I felt like the deals were just so slow. In fact, the only deals that I did was Colgate, I did Crest Oral-B, and I did the L'Oreal. I did those deals across the board. That's literally all I did. And so I'm here today. I have a few deals. I think I have like 4 or 5 deals to share. I want to try some things too. I know that a lot of stores have stopped taking expired coupons. I've been hearing so far as 2 days expired is the most they'll scan for. And so I want to try using CoverGirl. Mine's expired. Well, they all expired yesterday. And so I'm going to see if those will work for me today. I only do register. I don't do self-checkout at all. Like, literally, our stores won't let us use self-checkout, the couponers at least. And so I'll only be using regular register. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you also smash the like button. Support your girl. Please excuse the fact that my throat. Please excuse the fact that my voice is a little deep. That's just because a girl just woke up. I was watching Crazy Deals and Steals live before I left the house as I was getting ready. And so we're going to head into CVS, see if we can grab a few good, decent deals. I have extra care bucks expiring in the next couple days. I have been still getting that $2 extra care buck that they've been just loading to my app. I think I get that on like 3 of my situations. And so without further ado, let's head into CVS and see if we can grab some awesome deals this week. Want to see what your girl got? Keep on watching. All right, guys. So the first deal I'm going to go over, I'm not going to do it at this particular store because this particular cashier, she will not take expired coupons. An hour after expired, no, nothing. All right, so I'm not even going to try unless she goes on a break while I'm here. Then I'll go check out with the other cashier. But listen, so CoverGirl is buy 3, get back 10 this week. And dude, our store finally raised their prices to $5.79 for the Perfect Blend pencil, which is crazy because it was $4.99 for the longest of times. So for this deal, you want to grab 3 of them. Your total is going to come to $17.37. And then for coupons, we're going to use this $3 CoverGirl CRT right here. And then I also have the $3 coupon right here that expired yesterday that we're going to use as well. All 3 products are going to come to $5.37 after your coupon and CRT, and then you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making this a $4.63 money. I really wanted to try the Vaseline deal. Like I said, I was watching Crazy Deals and Steals, and the digital is not attaching to the 10-ounce bottles, at least not for me either. And I did go up there and have her ring them up to see if it would, and it's still not. So for this deal, you'd have to grab the larger Vaselines, which would be $19.58. And then for coupons, the 4 off of 2 coupon right here. And then I have a 3 off of 12 CRT and the 4 off of 2 digital right there. That should bring the total down to $8.58, and then getting back the 4, making it $4.58 for both of them, are $2.29 each, which is still not bad, but I don't know. I'm gonna sit on this one. It's not something I need. It's not something that I use. I sell these. I sell the little ones. So I'm pretty sure I can. Actually, I just sold the last set of larger ones that I did have. So I'm gonna sit on this one. And so yeah, that I really wanted to try, but this store only has 1 in stock on the Dove Care 2-in-1. It's priced at $6.99. It's buy 2 get back 4. So 2 of them is gonna cost you $13.98. Now for coupons, we have this 4 off of 2 coupon right here for inserts. We're hoping with glitch with the 4 off of 2 digital. I'm sorry, right there. That will bring the total down to you paying $5.98 out of pocket and getting back 3 in extra care bucks, making it $2.98 for the 2 are only $8.49 each. Again, I can't confirm if it's going to glitch because they only have 1, and so yeah. Okay, so with this deal on the Garnier, I thought it was an extra care buck deal, but I think it's just the whole blends. So for this deal with the Garnier Fructis, it's 2 for $8. And then we have a 3 off of 2
printable from coupons.com. We also have a 3 off of 2 digital. So make it $1 each, which is not necessarily bad. Next deal is on the Lucky Charms. It is on sale for $1.99. For this, we want to grab a total of 2 of them. You're going to grab 2 of them. Your total is going to come to $4.98. And then for this, we do have the $1 off of 2 digital on the app. And then we also have, where is it at? We also have $1.50 back for buying 2 on Ibotta as well, which is then going to bring that down to what? It's going to make it $1.48 for 2 of them, are only 74 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Really quick, make sure you check your stores because some of their stuff is on clearance. The Honeywell fan right here, the Triple Force one, is only $7.50. I just checked to see how much it is at Walmart. It's actually double that price. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab one of these. Burn up some extra care bucks. I have a lot that are expiring, you guys, literally in the next 2 days. So I think I'm gonna grab a couple of these, burn some extra care bucks. And of course, if you're a reseller, even better, right? Then they also have this one right here. It's a little clip fan for $3.99. So yeah, not bad if it's something you need. I mean, it's hot here most of the year, so I don't think this will ever be like a bad decision. And especially if you can grab it using extra care bucks, even better. It looks like they're starting to clearance out a lot of their summer stuff. I didn't see anything that really said, buy me, but I saw these. These are cute. These are super cute for $4.99, normally $20. I really like this coffee one. Ooh, I'm gonna grab this coffee one for sure.
Customer service, scan all aisles.
Customer service, scan all aisles. I wonder how much these are.
Customer service, scan all aisles. Customer service, scan all aisles.
And then they have t-shirts down here for $7.50. I'm totally gonna get this coffee cup. If you know me, you know I love coffee. And what I love more than coffee is stuff that I can put coffee in. So okay, I'm at a different store and they actually have some of these coolers. It fits a 6-pack. I'm gonna grab one. I actually grabbed a green one. They had some that had little flowers on them as well. For $4.99. And what else? They have this big beach umbrella. I was kind of tempted to get it, but I'm not. And then they have some more of these cups. I got this one at the other store. I was tempted to get this one or this one, but I really don't need that many coffee cups. Make sure to check these 2 here. These like beach chairs. These are also on clearance. These are $7.50. And so, yeah.
Okay, y'all. Listen, don't laugh at my little itty bitty teeny weeny polka dotted little haul. Okay, but this is all that I got today. I was able to do the CoverGirl twice, which is cool. I'm cool with that. I have enough coupons to do it, I think, 2 more times. At least 1, I know for a fact. I may try that tomorrow since it would be the last day I could use those coupons. But one of my stores did tell me no. And this is a cashier that I'm totally cool with. And so, yeah, she was saying, yeah, they can't even take them a day after. I may try tomorrow. There's a couple others I can probably do it with too, but if not, then it's cool. I'm cool. All right, but this is all I did. So I went ahead and did the Vaseline anyways because I figured the moneymaker from the CoverGirl was going to pay for the Vaseline. And so I went ahead and did that. I do have another 3 off of 12 on one of my other cards. So if I can do CoverGirl and Vaseline on that card, the CoverGirl will pay for the Vaseline again. I'm hoping that the Lucky Charms resets on Ibotta tomorrow. I'll do that deal again. Other than that, that's it. I did get some of the fans. I ain't gonna tell you how many I got, but I said if I can convert these extra care bucks into some hard cash, then let's go ahead and let's do that. So I did get some of those, quite a bit of those. I'm probably gonna keep one of them though, at least. Probably keep 2 of them. Give one to my sister and keep one for myself. And so really quick, let me just show you my receipts really quick. This is the CoverGirl and one of the fans. Was that a fan? No, I got an igloo. That was the igloo thing.
All right, and then there goes all my coupons. Everything worked out perfect. All right, for that one. And then my other one, which is the one that had all three of the deals, is right here. So there goes Lucky Charms, there goes the CoverGirl, there goes the Vaseline, and then there goes all of our coupons. Everything worked, everything double attached. That the Vaseline did. All right, so everything worked out good with that one as well. And so everything you see here retails $57.90. We had $36 in coupons, CRTs or digital, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $21.90. And then I do walk away with $24 in extra care bucks, and then $1.50 on Ibotta for the there goes 10 there, and then there goes 14 there. So we walk away with 24 in extra care bucks, and then $1.50 on Ibotta for the Lucky Charms. So it makes everything you see here free plus $3.60. Other than that, you guys, in the comments, what do you think about them finally saying no more expired coupons? I know some of you are like, well, they shouldn't be taking them anyway. Look, if the store is gonna take them, I'm gonna use them. I'm just saying. But at the same time, I get it. I'm not gonna argue with people. I don't care. I'm gonna argue with you for doing your job. I'm not. Now, back in my younger, immature days, I would argue. Well, no, let me take that back. I wouldn't say I wasn't arguing for you doing your job. I'd be arguing for things that they didn't know that they should know. So I'll take that back. It's a difference. There's a difference. Other than that, you guys, I'm rambling. So I'll leave it there. You guys have an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.